Mistplay doesn't use a simple one coin per action system, so a balance that isn't adding up can be caused by GXP, checkpoints, game multipliers, or tracking rather than a calculation error. By the end, you'll know what Mistplay is actually counting, which tracking checks to make, and when a missing reward needs Mistplay support. First, separate GXP from units. Mistplay uses GXP, or game experience points, to move you toward checkpoints. Units are then awarded when you reach those checkpoints. So if you're watching GXP increase, but expecting your unit balance to increase at the same time, the two numbers are not supposed to work that way. Mistplay support. How can I earn units? https support.mistplay.com HC in US articles 13,639,940,832,411. How can I earn units? Source chattap.com. Next, check the game's current unit multiplier. Mistplay says different games can have different unit multipliers, and boosted games can offer higher multipliers for a limited period. This means the number of units connected to your gameplay can change depending on the game and its current multiplier. Mistplay support. How can I earn units? https support.mistplay.com HC in US articles 13,639,940,832,411. How can I earn units? Source chattab.com. If your GXP is not increasing at all, check game tracking first. Mistplay says you should launch the game through Mistplay instead of opening it directly from your phone. You should also see a recording game time notification and a welcome back notification within 10 seconds of launching the game. Mistplay support. Why am I not earning units or GXP? https support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13,639,938,138,138,130,963. Why am I not earning units or GXP when I am not? If those notifications don't appear, restart your device and Mistplay, then launch the game again through the Mistplay app. Mistplay also recommends checking settings such as power saver and data saver because they can interfere with game time tracking. Mistplay support. Why am I not earning units or GXP? https support.mistplay.com HC and 39,938,000. There's another limit that can make your balance appear stuck. Mistplay says you can earn GXP on one game for a maximum of 2 hours per day. After reaching that limit, you can switch to another game to continue earning. Mistplay support. How can I earn units? https support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13,639,940,832,411. How can I earn units? Source chattab.com. Also check checkpoint rewards. Mistplay says time-boosted checkpoints can give a larger reward before their timer expires, while the standard reward applies after the boost period ends. Mistplay support. Checkpoint rewards. https support.mistplay.com HC in US articles 48,578,152,452,416,795 checkpoint rewards. Source chattab.com. So the practical fix is to check GXP versus units, verify the game multiplier, confirm tracking notifications, and check whether you've reached the 2-hour daily limit. If everything is tracking correctly but your units still don't match the completed checkpoints, take screenshots and contact Mistplay support with the affected game and checkpoint details. Like and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting fixes.